She's not. She is alive, yeah.
Yeah.
So my name is Taylor. This
Hey,
is
Taylor.
Laura. We're both
Hi,
animal
Laura.
care specialists here at Denver Zoo. We work with all of our ambassador animals. That is water.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did he go under your belly? Did he go under your belly?
Not
No,
under my belly.
no. Thank you.
So this is Angie, and Angie is one of our ambassador animals.
Okay.
She is an Angolan python.
Can you say Angolan python?
Angolan python.
Python.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, that was correct. You did it. You nailed it. So as an Angolan python, her species is native to Africa, like her name suggests, around the countries of Angola, down into Namibia as well. These guys, so as an ambassador animal, her role here at Denver Zoo is that of an educator or representative for herself and her species, and a great representative for all the conservation work that we do here at Denver Zoo. As a conservation organization, we have lots of projects going on all around the world, including right here in Colorado. And these guys get to teach us all about it. So, it's actually been very difficult to study their species in their native range, mostly because of the civil unrest that's been going on in and around those countries. But fortunately, we do get to have her here with us at Denver Zoo, so we can study her while she lives here with us. The most that we know about these guys comes from what we know in general about their very close relative, the ball python.
Okay.
That
Taking over
species
Florida.
That species is a pretty common pet here in the U.S. So most of what we know about her species comes from them. But she is quite a terrestrial ground-dwelling snake.
So pretty.
So she spends a lot of time
Isn't that pretty?
on the ground, especially in her native range. She would be in very dry climates with lots
smelling the air.
of sand, lots of dirt. She would hang out in and around some rocky outcroppings. She would be finding any kind of shelter under and in between rocks. So that's where she's going to be spending most of her time. Let me know if you guys have any questions about her as well.
How old?
She is 14 years old.
Wow. Do we know how long they go for?
So in human care, they'll live up to their late 20s.
Okay.
In their native range, they'll live closer to their late teens into their mid-20s.
Is she breeding?
She is not breeding, no.
Okay.
We do not have any recommendations for breeding with her.
Okay.
As an AZA accredited facility, we do operate under those species survival programs for any kind of breeding that we do.
Gotcha. Look how pretty it is.
Yeah. It's really pretty.
Hey, touch it.
So once she gets a little bit more comfortable on my arm, we might be able to touch her. For all of our new friends who have joined us, welcome. My name is Taylor. If you guys can't hear my